Zechariah, chapter 6.
Finally I looked up and saw 4 chariots coming from between 2 bronze mountains. The first chariot was pulled by red horses, and the second by black horses. The third chariot was pulled by white horses, and the fourth by spotted gray horses. "Sir," I asked the angel, "what do these stand for?" Then he explained,
"These are the 4 winds of heaven, and now they are going out after presenting themselves to the Lord of all the earth. The chariot with black horses goes toward the north. The chariot with white horses goes toward the west, and the one with spotted horses goes toward the south."
The horses came out eager to patrol the earth, and the angel told them,
"Start patrolling the earth."
When they had gone on their way, he shouted to me,
"Those that have gone to the country in the north will do what the Lord's Spirit wants them to do there."
The Lord said to me,
Heldai, Tobijah, and Jedaiah have returned from Babylonia. Collect enough silver and gold from them to make a crown. Then go with them to the house of Josiah, son of Zephaniah, and put the crown on the head of the high priest Joshua, son of Jehozadak. Tell him that I, the Lord all-powerful, say, someone will reach out from here like a branch and build a temple for me. I will name him Branch, and he will rule with royal honors. A priest will stand beside his throne, and the 2 of them will be good friends. This crown will be kept in my temple as a reminder, and will be taken care of by Heldai, Tobijah, Jedaiah, and Josiah. When people from distant lands come and help build the temple of the Lord all-powerful, you will know that the Lord is the one who sent me. And this will happen if you truly obey the Lord your God.